Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to my new video tutorial. First of all, cut two pieces of 16 gauge wire, one 5 centimeters long and another 7 centimeters long. Take small piece and create a small loop on one side and bend the straight wire around of the pliers to create a hook. Take 7 centimeter long piece and make a small loop on both sides. These loops should face different directions. Take pliers and make hooks on both sides, facing different directions again. Fasten the hook and the S-clasp with flat end of the hammer. Now the hammering force the shapes to open, so close them with your fingers or with chain nose pliers if needed. Use the ball end of the hammer to create a texture on the copper pendant as you're hammering it. To create the head pin, take a piece of 18 gauge wire and make a tiny loop on one end, then flatten it with the chain nail pliers. Add some gem chips or beads of your choice. Create a loop and wrap the wire 3 times around, then trim the ends. Now take a jump ring and connect the pendant with your head pins with beads on it. Now cut 45 centimeters or 18 inches of leather cords. To connect the leather to the pendant, just make a simple knot. Create spring end by wrapping 18 gauge wire 6-7 times around the pliers. remove the spiral of wire. Slide the chain nose pliers under the top loop and lift it up to a 90-degree angle. Apply the glue on the leather and push the leather inside the spring spiral and press the last loop to hold the spring end in place. Attach the clasp and the necklace is ready.